Dressed in one of the most brilliant colors Auburn Hills has ever created, this striking 71 Plymouth wraps an original 383 3-speed drivetrain in a detailed ground-up restoration. And with an excellent combination of style and personality, it presents the perfect opportunity to kick off a serious muscle car addiction. Motoring through life as a savory slice of Americana, this Barracuda is an authentic 383 power drop top that always reflected vivid lemon twist pigment. Not too long ago, acute restoration was applied to solid sheet metal that's carefully aligned under correct white vinyl. And today, this Plymouth rolls as a striking Detroit muscle that mixes classic Chrysler design with storied MoPar merit. Inside, a white vinyl interior is simple, functional, and looks as good as new. High back bucket and rear bench seats are restoration fresh and show barely any signs of wear. An optional console anchors a small T-handle shifter and attractive trim. In front of that console, a warp-free dash hangs familiar Rallye gauges above a retro radio. And an ornate steering wheel perfectly complements the car's sculpted console and slick instrument panel. Hoist the hood and you'll find an original 383 cubic inch Super Commando V8 that hangs a familiar casting number and a matching partial VIN. Power is funneled through an original A727 3-speed in front of a requisite 8 3/4 inch axle. Mixing solid restoration with excellent performance and classic good looks, this Barracuda is ready to drive, show, and parade. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.